We're not even talking about seconds. We're talking about milli and nanoseconds.
Yes, we are talking about milliseconds and picoseconds.
Okay.
1 second, it can enter the trade and exit as well.
In 1 second.
In 1 second.
Okay.
43% of the trading in India is coming from algo trading.
Okay. We all grew up believing that stock market is a fair game. If you work hard, if you learn, and if you excel, you will make profits. But once you go deeper, you'll realize it's not the same anymore. It's not just humans making decisions, it's machines, algo, and data working at the speed of lightning. Every trade, every order, and every reaction is now counted on how fast and precise you can be. And that decides who wins at the end of the day. We are talking about the world of algo trading, a fascinating world where technology meets human emotions and sometimes collides with it. To help us understand about this fascinating world of algo trading, we have a veteran of the space. And trust me when I say this, right after this conversation, the way you look at markets is going to change forever. Today's guest is someone truly special, a veteran of the space and expert in algorithmic trading. He is someone who understands technology, psychology, and data of the market. He is the CEO of Raw Algos and Stat Institute, managing partner at Commodities Trade Services, Mr. Krishna Rawal. Sir, it's my pleasure to welcome you on the show.
Pleasure is all mine to be here. Thank you for inviting me.
You're welcome, sir. So to get started with the podcast, the first question I put it very interesting. Let's compare algo trading with fighter jets, let's say B2 bombers, and for the precision and the speed. Plus, if you look at the retail investors, let's look at them as foot soldiers with rifles in hand. Do you think that's a fair comparison?
Well, B2 bombers are at least, they take hours to travel from point A to point B. Algos take fraction of a second. Okay, they are trading at a speed of nanosecond. So even fighter jets won't match algo trading.
We're not even talking about seconds. We're talking about milli and nanoseconds.
Yes, we are talking about milliseconds and picoseconds.
Okay.
Yeah, so that is where the algo has reached in past. Say in India, it started since 2008, and in past 15, 17 years, this is where algo trading has reached. The technology has gone.
It's very fascinating, honestly.
Yes, absolutely.
So a lot of retail people, they blame algo traders because, including me, if I hit a stop loss on some trade and it immediately recovers, I'll be like, okay, operator is playing some game, algos are at the play. So what do you think about the situation? Also, on the brighter side of things, we get more liquidity, instant liquidity in the market. So that is the bright side, but the dark side is this one. What do you think about the situation in the Indian stock market?
So see, it is not that algos are the one that are manipulating. If you see, go back 20 years back, wasn't the market being manipulated? It was manipulated by humans. Algos are basically what you have made, what you have taught, and it is made. Since AI has come, it starts improving on the basis of the data that is available to it. Okay, so it is, and this is I think it's a misconception that algo is manipulating. Algo doesn't manipulate. I will say algo is executing trades at a very high speed, with a very high precision. Okay, so it's maybe it's easy to brain algo, but I don't think that algo is manipulating. The strategy, if somebody is making a manipulative strategy, it can be that he can be doing it manually as well. The same thing, right? So I think algo is a smart way of trading.
Okay. Yeah, advanced way of trading.
Advanced way of trading.
On a serious note, do you think SEBI or the exchanges are doing enough to keep the playground fair? Like, as in, if the institutions, they have the advantage of co-location or DMA, direct market access, whereas retail people don't have this luxury. So, do you think the exchanges and SEBI are doing enough?
I think SEBI has started doing a very good work in this direction. They are providing a level playing field, because recently, if you see, SEBI has asked the brokers to provide algo for retail traders also. They are opening up. They have come up with number of circulars on this, and they want to provide a level playing field for the retail as well as the institutes, wherein retails can also make their own algo, do algo trading, and it's a very fair way what they want it the trading platform to be.
Right, because some of the retail people I know, they're using APIs and integrating with the brokers like Zerodha and all.
Yes.
So, what is the difference between an institutional level of algo trading versus a retail level of algo trading?
Okay, so I would say, see, it's not right to compare. Okay, let us see, Formula F1 car. If you have, you won't be driving it on link road,
Right, right.
right? You will be driving it on only on the track, right? At the same time, you won't be driving your say Maruti in on the track, right?
Makes sense.
So both the institute play a different game, okay, wherein they are looking at a picosecond trades, while retail trader is not looking for that kind of trading. Basically, it's their appetite is different.
Okay, okay.
Their ball game is different, and institute's ball game is different. So I don't think there is any reason to compare or to be intimidated by institute's algo at all.
Okay, okay. So on a volume level, how much do you think are algos in the market versus the manual trades?
So I think the last number that I had come across was 43% of the trading in India is coming from algo trading.
Okay,
Okay, and 57% is coming from manual trading. While if you see in the Western countries, it is almost up to 90% of the trades are coming from algo trading.
Okay, okay.
And 10%.
This is across markets, be it commodities, stocks, and FNO.
Yes, across almost all the markets are the traders have adopted, the institutes have adopted algo trading in a very big way.
Okay. Do you think sometimes algos trade, they cross the borders of ethics when it comes to like spoofing or stuffing or bid ask manipulations in the market? Do you think algos sometimes cross the ethical boundaries?
Well, if you'll see, that can be done even in manual trading. Okay, people were using big numbers. They were showing, positions that they never wanted to execute. Okay, so that's something which was done even in manual trading. It is not that the algo is only doing. I'm not defending algo, uh, okay, but I think that algo trading is what you make out of it. Basically, what you want, you are putting it in your strategy, and it's performing. It is not a devil that is forming on its own. It is not.
Right. It's basically what you code inside that.
Yes.
Okay. Now, talking about coding, how much of human intervention is required for it to make for someone to make an algo trading platform or a service?
Okay. So for retail traders, I would say even there are some platforms which are in which you don't require to know even coding.
Okay.
Okay, and you can form your own strategies, and it can trade. You can make your strategies without using any coding. Okay, you don't require that. To name one is that is apt.trading. Okay, wherein they are providing B2B solutions, but at the same time they are providing for the retail clients as well. Wherein there is a AI, you just prompt that okay, I want a strategy with say moving average and crossover or something, and it codes it for you, and it gives automatically, and it gives you, and it even suggests what should be this. I mean, ask you that what will be your stop loss, what will be your profit target, all that things. Right.
So it's automated. So I don't need to know coding for anything.
Not at all.
Okay.
Not at all.
So you have seen the infrastructure of algo trading from the inside, be it servers or cable, something like that. What do you think is that one thing that would absolutely shock a retail investor?
There are so many things that will shock retail
We want to know
investor,
all of it.
but one of the thing that I would say is like retail investor thinks that institutes are having the best of the time. So let me tell you, institutes or high frequency companies or traders, they invest huge amount in network, okay, in infrastructures, in softwares, okay, and they are suppose their certain strategy is making good profit, okay, for say 2 3 years it is making good profit, and from tomorrow it is possible that it won't make any profit.
Okay. So constant modifications are required.
Modification is required. Why it won't make profit? Because somebody has got a better hardware, better network, or better software, which has a better latency.
Right.
So it's just few latency better, and the profit is moves from this trader, HFT trader, to this HFT trader.
Okay. Okay.
So that's something, which retail traders are not knowing about, that how, competitive HFT is.
Okay. So they have to make modifications every 3-4
Yes,
years.
yes,
Just bring
yes.
new in hardware, everything.
Yes, they have to be, they have to see that they keep on updating.
Okay. Yeah. On the retail side of things, how can Algo help a normal retailer like myself to get more profits, make more profits in the market?
So I would say what it can do is that first and foremost, it disciplines your trading.
Right. It removes emotions.
It removes emotion.
Right.
Most of the traders, they make loss, I think, because of the emotions. Like if they, I've seen number of times that the trader has entered a good trade, the trade is giving them good profit, and they are holding it. Okay, they are not. They have decided that okay, this is going to be my profit target. When it reaches the profit target, they upgrade their profit target. Okay, now I will wait for another 100 points.
Correct. Correct.
Right. Now the market has started moving down. Okay, and when it's moving down, they'll say okay, it will come up.
Right. They want
now they will say it has come to their entry level, and then it starts going downwards into loss. Okay, now they say okay, at entry level, if it comes, I will exit. Okay, I will break even and exit. Now it making huge loss, and they'll say okay, if the loss reduces, I will exit. Ultimately, they end up making such a huge loss in something which they were looking for 100 points, and they lose some 300-400 points. Right. So this is happening because of the emotions. While Algo is very clear, this is their target, this is their stop loss, hit and out.
Okay. Now, talking about profits, we Indians have this mindset of comparing each and everything. Like FD is giving 5-6%, mutual fund is giving around 15 to 18%, and I as a trader can make 20-25% in the stock market. So, what is the annualized return that an algo can give?
So, see, every trader, it differs, right? And similarly, every strategy, the returns differ, right? Some strategy may make, say, X number of profit, X percentage, while the other can make 10X the profit.
Right.
Okay. Depending on the risk reward ratio, what is your risk appetite? Right? And how well you have worked on the strategy. Right. So there are so many factors affecting it. I won't like to give a big number that that give trader that okay, this is what I should get in using any algo strategy. No, it's not like that. Right. It will all depend on how good strategy you have made, how well you have tested it. Right. Okay. How well you have analyzed your data. Okay. So all this is going to help you to come to a good number.
Okay. But can you give us that number?
Well, I would like, as I said,
on an average basis, like Algo,
say,
how much?
Say first of all, I will say that Algo can make loss as well. Okay. Like any trade. Right. So it can make losses as well. Okay, that's number one. So either the strategy is not properly built, or the market is not right for this particular strategy. In any of the case, it can make
point of time.
Yes. At the same time, if the strategy is made well and the market is right now in that particular trend, wherein your strategy fits the well, then it can give very good. Algo, what it is going to do is, yes, I will tell you one thing. If you like manual trading or retail trader is trading, and many times they say that okay, I entered in this trade, it gave me say X% and I exited. Okay, because I thought that okay, previous to this trade, 3 trades were in loss. I didn't want this to be the 4th trade, so I exited with a very small profit, and then the trade rallied. Okay, the market went.
It has happened a lot with me as well.
It happens with many. This is where Algo comes in. What Algo is going to do is, if it is going to be a trending strategy, if it is going to be it is not giving an exit, it is going to be with the trade till the whole rally is completed. Right. So this is where because there is no emotional involvement. Algo doesn't think that okay, 3 previous trades were in loss, so I need to exit from here. With a small profit. It doesn't think like that. Okay. It says that okay, there is a good opportunity. my exit rule is not activated right now, I will stay with the trade and I will bring all the profit available on the table.
Okay, so that will be the biggest benefit factor of algo trading.
Yes.
And finally, sir, if you have to give one real advice to retail people who are thinking they're competing with machines in the market, like you mentioned 43% in India, whereas in the US it's around 80-90%?
90%.
90%. So what is one piece of advice you want to give to them?
So I would say that now algo trading is not something that is out of reach for any retail trader. Okay, I would advise traders to look into it. There are so many tools available. Okay, to use that tools, do research, understand the strategies, and then enter it rather than gambling or rather than just assuming that it will work. Instead of that, do research and enter.
Okay. We often think trading is about luck, indicators, or hard work. But end of the day, it's more about understanding. The more you understand, the less you fear. The danger isn't in the code, but it is in not knowing how the system works. Krishna sir, thank you so much for being with us. It was really nice talking to you.
Thank you for inviting me.
And to everyone watching, don't fear the future, learn it. Because the next market winner is not going to be the richest or the fastest. It is going to be the one who truly understands how the system works. We have many more journeys, many more stories to uncover. Until next time, stay curious, stay invested. This is Zdvisor Originals. My name is Riprudamanar and I am signing off.